Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there are multiple features that are available with the One UI 8 update and you guys are missing them out. So today in this video, I will try to cover them all. First of all, you just have to make sure that your device is on the latest One UI version. So the One UI update brings in some crazy new AI features that you guys are surely missing out. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So starting off with the first one, so if you want some wallpapers, so simply go into the settings and tap on wallpapers, and after that simply tap on this option over here which is generative. In this option you can generate wallpapers using AI. You can completely turn your imaginations and thoughts into reality. As you can see, from night you can change it into brown, gold, or from mountains you can change it into river or a beach. And in the end you can also change the clouds or ice and simply tap on generate. Whatever is coming in your mind, simply select that and then tap on generate and it will generate a wallpaper using the AI for you. And once generated, you can set it both for your lock screen and the home screen. So do check it out. Now let's move on to the next one. So if you want the live effect of weather in your lock screen, so that is also possible. For that, simply tap on this photo ambient option and it will change your lock screen according to the weather. Now you might have seen the dynamic lock screen in which the clock changes its position according to the wallpaper. So that is possible if you have a portrait wallpaper, and then you have to go into the lock screen settings and tap on the font of the clock and select this font, and it will adjust itself according to the wallpaper. But keep in mind that it only works with the portrait wallpapers as for now. It is expected that with the One UI 8.5, it might work with all the wallpapers. Now let's move on to the next one. So the next one is back preview. Simply search for the back swipe preview in the settings, then tap on it. In the Galaxy Labs you can find it and turn this feature on. Using this back swipe preview, you can get to see a preview of the previous screen or the settings where were you before. And when it is turned off, you will get to see something like this. So it is also kind of useful feature if you want to get a quick preview of the previous screen. Now let's move on to the next feature, so that is in the split screen. So now you can use the split screen into a 90 and a 10 split. As previously it was around 70 and 30 split, but now with a new update you can split it all the way down. With this option you can do multiple tasks at once very easily. Now let's move on to the next feature, so that is in the camera app. For that, simply open your camera app, and you might already know that by swiping up or down you can switch the cameras, but you can also access the quick settings as well after this new update. For that, go into the camera settings, swipe down and find this option of swipe preview up/down. From here you can select that do you want to switch cameras or open the quick settings. I have selected the quick settings as I want to access the quick settings by swiping up or down. Now the next feature is in the phone app. Simply go into the phone app settings and then from here tap on call captions. Now it will show that what each person says during the calls. Caption can be useful when hearing is difficult. You can also download the languages. There are multiple language packs available to choose from. To turn this feature on, simply tap on this toggle button over here saying on. And to access it, follow the animation steps that are shown below. We also have another feature in the call app. For that, simply go into the settings again and we have this feature of call assist. So the first one is text call. You can answer calls without saving a word. A voice assistant will ask the caller why they are calling. Or you can also type or tap responses that will be read aloud to the caller. Further, you can select the speech rate and the language, and also the voice packs are available. Next we have this live translate feature. You can get real-time translation during the calls. Tap the call assist button, then select live translate. This also has multiple language packs available. You can also select the voice and the speech rate with this one as well. For that you will have to download the other person's language as well. Now let's move on to the next feature. So for that you will have to go into your notes app. So in the Notes app, you can now create sticky notes. For that, simply tap on this plus icon, then tap on sticky notes, and this is how you can create the sticky notes and add your useful information. And the sticky note will be available like this. You can access it by simply tapping on it, and the sticky note will expand. There are multiple color options also available with the sticky note. You can also delete it by simply tapping on delete. Also, there's a math solver available by which you can solve the math problems by simply typing them on screen. Whatever math problem you will draw, it will solve it for you. I will quickly turn on the screen drawing with a finger and show you an example. As you guys can see, now it will solve the math problem. Now let's move on to the next one. So that is in the gallery app. So if you want to do some quick edits, so that is also possible. Simply swipe up the picture that you want to edit, then tap on remaster. After tapping on remaster, it will perform a quick edit for your photo. And once the edit is done, you can save a copy or save it directly as well. You can clearly see the difference before and after of this image. Now let's move on to the next feature. So if you have a PDF file, so you can now summarize or translate the entire file. For that, tap on this Galaxy AI icon, then tap on summarize, then you have to tap on select maximum. After tapping on select maximum, simply tap on generate summary and it will generate a quick summary of the whole PDF. Or you can also translate the PDF as well, or you can copy it or add to the note. So now let's move on to the next feature. So that is in the Samsung keyboard. In the Samsung keyboard, you get to see this Galaxy AI option. Using it, you can correct the spelling and grammar or select the writing style or even compose a text as well. And this feature is quite useful if you want to compose a text or you want to check the spelling or the grammar. I will now quickly compose a text for you. Like I will ask it to write a note on climate change. You can also select that you want the standard, email or the casual version. Then tap on generate and it will quickly generate a text for you that you can copy or insert. Next up, if you select some text, you can also correct the spellings or grammar of it. Simply tap on this Galaxy AI option. From here, you can check the spelling or grammar or you can change the writing style. Whether you want professional, polite or emojify, it will do that for you. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the features that you guys might be missing out with the One UI 8 update. Check out these features and do let me know your favorite one in the comment section below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.